How's it going everyone, Laser here, and today we'll be unboxing the RTX 3090 Ti from MSI, their current flagship model, the Supreme X. This is the fastest GPU MSI is currently offering, at least until the 4000 series come out, which is really soon at the time of recording this video, just a couple of days. And just before we open the box, you can really feel that it's a premium product with all the engravings on the box, nice attention to detail from MSI. You can really feel just by holding the box that it's a premium product. But we all know you're not here to watch the box, so let's open it. There's even a Supreme engraving inside. I'm going to show it to you. Really beautifully made. Let's put it to the side for a moment and let's focus on the GPU. There is even a dedicated mousepad, I believe. Yep, this is a mousepad you can put on your desk. So yeah, this is the GPU. Let's crack it open and then we'll check the other things that you can find in the box. It's really heavy. I'll move the box to the side for a moment. The GPU is sealed in a plastic foil. Oh, it looks beautiful. I really like the metal finish here, like a sandblasted or matte finish over here. There's also an MSI accent here. I believe it lights up when you connect it to your PC. We'll check this out later on. Okay, let's look at the front right now. This is a well-known triple fan cooling design with just a massive heatsink beneath it. It's a 3-slot card, so it's really big. So before you order, make sure that your case will support this kind of GPU because it's first of all really heavy and really massive when it comes to the size. Let's have a look at the new connector over here. We have a new connector, the new type that also the RTX 4000 series will use, the new ATX 3.0 standard. Apart from that, we have a Supreme logo over here, GeForce RTX, and of course the MSI dragons on the fans. So in terms of design, I really like it. It's really minimalistic, it looks really elegant. The gray and the black combined together look really great, especially the back over here is just amazing how it looks. I like the cutouts to get the air out from the heatsink and also the exposed capacitors, something we come to get used to from all the brands. The Asus does it, MSI does it, Gigabyte does it as well. Looks really well, and I can't wait to see how it looks when you connect it to your PC. Okay, something new that not all of the cards have from the 3000 series is the SLI connection at the top over here. Hope you can see it. It's right here. It allows you to connect two 3090 Ti's into an SLI configuration, but then I believe you need to have a dedicated electrical plant to power it. The card draws a eye-watering 450 watts. I think so far this is the most power-hungry GPU we've experienced, of course, when it comes to consumer GPUs, but it looks like the 4000 series are bound to beat that result. At the bottom you have a PCIe connector, nothing out of the ordinary standard stuff. Over here you have a switch from silent to gaming. It basically changes the curve of your fans, so in gaming they're more aggressive and the power output is also expected to be slightly bigger, but in silent mode it's toned down. Even if you want to have a very silent build, you can use that. It's set to silent. I'm going to change it to gaming. We'll see how it performs. So overall it's really great, really heavy. I don't know, I hope there is some kind of support bracket for it, because even though it has a metal black backplate and metal front plate, I'm a bit afraid that it might sag. So yeah, let's see what else is in the box. I'm going to put the GPU right here. And the first thing we have is an adapter. Like I told you, the new standard, well, we don't have many PSUs that support the new standard, but fortunately every GPU manufacturer includes an adapter, like you see over here, which you connect your standard power cables over here. And then there is a adapter at the other side, which you connect to the GPU, and let's just connect it. Looks kind of funny, but it does the job. So this is how you connect the really power demanding GPUs to your PSU through an adapter, or at least until we get PSUs that really support the new standard. Since the GPU is really heavy, you also get a support bracket, which you can install in your PC to prevent from any sagging. And I really think this is a necessary accessory for this type of card and this type of weight. Inside of the envelope, let's see what we have here. Pretty standard stuff. Quick start guide, MSI program, some kind of marketing pamphlets, and how to upgrade your PC with the new graphics card, installation guide for the new GPU. So let me know what you think about the GPU. I'm going to connect it to my PC right now and show you how it looks with the RGB on. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. I'm Lazerk, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.